Vector A equals to I cap plus 4j cap plus 2k cap. B equals to 3i minus 2j plus 7k, and C is 2i minus j plus 4k. Find a vector D which is perpendicular to both A and B. So, a vector D. Good afternoon. Question 12. So, vectors A, B, C are given, and a vector D is there such that it is perpendicular to both A and B. So, let D equals to D1i plus D2j plus D3k. If it is perpendicular to A and B, that means D dot A equals to 0, D dot B equals to 0, and it is already given C dot B equals to 0, C dot D equals to 15. So, when we'll multiply vector D, when we'll find their dot product, D dot A, it will be D1 plus 4D2 plus 2D3 equals to 0, 3D1 minus 2D2 plus 7D3 equals to 0, and 2D1 minus D2 plus 4D3 equals to 15. Is it clear till here?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
3 equations we got, which we can solve by any method. We have found first of all determinant of this, that we told del. The other next one, in which first column was replaced by this constant, that is 0, 0, 15, that is del 1. Next one is del 2, where second column is replaced. Next one del 3, third column replaced. D1 is del 1 by del, D2 is del 2 by del, and D3 is del 3 by del. Finding D1, D2 and D3 and substituting, this is the vector which is asked. Now, next question. The scalar product of a vector with a unit vector along the sum of this vector 1 and like 2 vectors are given is equal to 1. So basically what is given? Dot product of this vector with some other vector which they are referring, their dot product is 1. Okay. Now this vector is what? This vector is actually unit vector along the sum of these vectors. So first of all, we'll let A equals to 2i plus 4j minus 5k, B equals to lambda I plus 2j plus 3k. We have to find unit vector along A plus B. We have to find this. So first of all, we'll find vector A plus vector B. That is equal to 2 plus lambda I cap plus 6j cap minus 2k cap, and unit vector along first this we have to find. So A plus B is this. Unit vector along A plus B will be 2 plus lambda I cap plus 6j cap minus 2k cap upon under root of 2 plus lambda the whole square plus 6 square plus minus 2 the whole square. 2 plus lambda the whole square means 2 square plus lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 36 plus 4, that is equal to lambda square plus 5 lambda. 1 minute. Sorry, that is 4. Plus 4 lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. So this can be written as 2 plus lambda I cap plus 6j cap minus 2k cap upon under root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. Now what is given? Unit vector along this, its scalar product with this is equal to 1. So we'll find the product of dot product of these two vectors, that is equal to 1. Are you getting what I am doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So according to question, two plus lambda into I cap, and there also, okay, I'll write that step again, plus 6j minus 2k upon under root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44 dot I cap plus j cap plus k cap equals to 1. So that is equal to 2 plus lambda plus 6 into 1 minus 2 upon all will have this thing in denominator, that is equal to 1. So that is equal to 2 plus lambda plus 6 minus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 will cancel, lambda plus 6 is equal to under root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44, squaring both sides. So lambda plus 6 the whole square equals to lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. So lambda plus 6 the whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. Lambda and lambda cancel. 8 lambda equals to 44 minus 36. That is equal to 8. So lambda equals to 1. This is the answer. Question number 14. A, B, C are mutually perpendicular vectors of equal magnitude. Show that A plus B plus C is equally inclined to A, B, C. Okay. So they are mutually perpendicular vectors means A dot B is equal to B dot C equals to C dot A equals to 0. If they are mutually perpendicular, their dot product will be 0. And equal magnitude means magnitude of A equals to magnitude of B equals to magnitude of C. Okay. Now, suppose vector A plus vector B plus vector C is inclined to A, vector A, comma vector B, comma vector C at angle theta 1, theta 2 and theta 3. Okay. क्या प्रूफ क्या करना है एक्चुअली कि वेक्टर A plus B plus C एक कोई वेक्टर है, the angle which this vector is forming with A, with B and with C is equal. With this and with this is equal. Okay. So suppose the angle which ABC is forming with vector A is theta 1, this is theta 2 and this is theta 3. Then we can write cos of theta 1 equals to A plus B plus C dot A upon mod of A plus B plus C mod of A. Okay. Now A dot B will be 0 and C dot A is also 0. So this dot product will result in only A dot A. Okay. So this will be A vector A dot vector A upon A plus B plus C into mod of A. This can be written as A dot A can be written as mod of A square upon A plus B plus C mod of A. This and this cancel. Okay. So this is cos theta 1. Are you getting this?
Ma'am, what happened to B plus C?
हाँ, ये if A dot B is 0,
Yes, ma'am.
so B dot A will also be 0. यहाँ पे
Okay, ma'am.
इनका डॉट प्रोडक्ट ये will A dot A, we can write it A dot A, B dot A, C dot A. B dot A and C
Yes, ma'am.
dot A are 0. Okay.
Yes.
So cos theta 1 is this. Okay. Similarly, we can find cos theta 2. Cos theta 2 will come mod of B upon A plus B plus C. Mod of this. Isn't it? Cos theta 2 किसके बीच में एंगल्स है? वेक्टर B और
Yes,
A
ma'am.
plus B plus C. So it will come this way. Okay. Similarly, cos of theta 3 will come as mod of C upon A plus B plus C. Now, it is already given that mod of A, mod of B and mod of C are equal. So, only this thing is making difference in all the three angles. Cos theta 1 is mod of A upon something, mod of B upon something, mod of C upon something. Denominator is already same. So, if mod of A equals to mod of B equals to mod of C, cos theta 1 equals to cos theta 2 equals to cos theta 3. Therefore, theta 1 equals to theta 2 equals to theta 3. Hence, prove that A plus B dot A plus B is equal to mod of A square plus mod of B square if and only if A, B are perpendicular. Okay. Okay. So now let us take this. First of all, LHS we have to prove. Okay. A plus B dot A plus B. Okay. That will be equal to A dot A plus A dot B plus B dot A plus B dot B. A dot A can be written as mod of A square. A dot B and B dot A both are equal, so this can be written as 2 times A dot B plus mod of B square. Okay. Now, if this is equal to this, that means this should be equal to 0. Okay. For A plus B dot A plus B equals to mod of A square plus mod of B square, 2 A dot B should be 0. Okay. When it will be 0? If A dot B equals to 0, when A is perpendicular to B, if mod of A and mod of B are not equal to 0. So hence proved. Okay, now they are MCQs. If theta is angle between two vectors and if A dot B is greater than or equal to 0, then what will be the value of theta they are asking. Okay, so A dot B means A, B, mod of A, mod of B, cos theta is greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. So cos theta is greater than or equal to 0 only when theta is between 0 and pi by 2. Because in case of cos, this is this way, 90. So 0 के लिए इसकी value है 1 and for pi by 2 it's 0. After that it becomes negative. Okay. So between 0 to pi by 2, value of theta will be greater than 0. So option B will be the correct answer. If A and B are two unit vectors and theta is angle between them, then A plus B is a unit vector if. Okay. It is given that A is a unit vector, B is a unit vector. That means their magnitude is 1. Then A plus B will be unit vector. Okay. If A plus B is 1, if we square it both sides, it will be A plus B the whole square equals to 1, or we can write it a plus b dot a plus b. Okay. Equals to 1. This can be written as a dot a, or we can, after expanding, we can write it this way: mod of a square plus 2ab cos theta plus mod of b square equals to 1. Magnitude of a is 1, magnitude of b is 1. It is 2 cos theta equals to 1. So 1 and 1 cancel. 2 cos theta equals to minus 1. Cos theta equals to minus of 1 by 2. Okay. Negative value of cos, that means it will be, theta will be 2 pi by 3. Cos of 2 pi by 3 will give us negative value. So D is the correct answer in this one. Now question number 18. I cap dot j cross k plus j cap dot I cross k plus k cap dot I cross j is, okay. So j cross k is equal to what, Sahil? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to actually remember this all things and you have to practice this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then question number 19. If theta is the angle between two vectors such that mod of a cross b equals to mod of a cross b, a dot b equals to a cross b when theta is equal to. So it is equal to mod of a mod of b sine theta cos theta, sorry, equals to mod of a mod of b cos theta. Okay. It will be sine theta. Cross product is sine theta. This and this cancel, this and this cancel. Sine theta equals to cos theta. Okay. Theta, so that means what will be the angle? Theta will be equal to pi degree. That is equal to pi by 4. So B will be the,
From that n,
yes.
directional n,
What you are saying?
ma'am, एक